Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to import Excel table to AutoCAD. Tables are commonly used in technical drawings to display schedules, quantities, material lists, equipment information, and other project data. If you already have a table prepared in AutoCAD, there is no need to recreate it manually. One of the quickest methods is to copy the table directly from your spreadsheet and paste it into your AutoCAD drawing. This approach can save time, reduce data entry errors, and allow you to bring existing information into your drawing environment. When you first open AutoCAD, start by opening the drawing where you want the Excel table to appear. Having the destination drawing ready beforehand makes it easier to position the table exactly where it is needed. Next, switch to your spreadsheet application and locate the Excel table you want to import. The table may contain information such as bills of materials, project schedules, equipment lists, room schedules, quantity takeoffs, or other project-related data. Once you've located the table, select the cells you want to bring into AutoCAD. Make sure the entire table is highlighted, including any headers or labels that should be included. After selecting the table, copy it using one of the following methods. Press Ctrl+C on your keyboard, or right-click the selected table and choose Copy. This places the table data onto the system clipboard, making it available to paste into another application. After copying the table, return to AutoCAD and activate the drawing window. To insert the table, paste the copied content using either of these methods. Press Ctrl+V on your keyboard, or right-click within the drawing area, navigate to Clipboard, and select Paste. AutoCAD then inserts the copied table into the drawing. Depending on the version of AutoCAD and the format of the copied data, the table may appear as an AutoCAD table object, an embedded spreadsheet object, or a formatted table that closely resembles the original Excel layout. Once the table appears, AutoCAD typically allows you to position it by moving your cursor and clicking at the desired insertion point. Choosing an appropriate location is important because tables are often placed in layout sheets, schedules, legends, or designated documentation areas within the drawing. One of the major advantages of this method is its simplicity. Rather than manually creating rows and columns in AutoCAD and retyping data, you can transfer an existing table within seconds. This technique is especially useful when the information already exists in Excel and does not require extensive modification before being placed into the drawing. However, it's important to understand that formatting may not always transfer perfectly. Depending on the complexity of the spreadsheet, some fonts, cell sizes, colors, or formatting elements may appear slightly different after being pasted into AutoCAD. For large or frequently updated tables, some users prefer creating linked data tables so that updates in Excel can automatically be reflected in AutoCAD. However, for quick insertion of static data, the copy and paste method is often the fastest solution. In professional drafting environments, importing Excel tables is widely used because it helps maintain consistency between project documentation and drawing sheets while reducing repetitive data entry. To summarize, importing an Excel table into AutoCAD begins by opening the destination drawing and locating the desired table in Excel. After selecting the table, copy it using Ctrl+C or the copy command. Return to AutoCAD and paste the table using Ctrl+V or by right-clicking and selecting Clipboard Paste. AutoCAD inserts the table into the drawing, allowing you to position it where needed. This method provides a fast and efficient way to transfer existing spreadsheet data into an AutoCAD project. And that's how to import an Excel table into AutoCAD. By simply copying and pasting, you can quickly transfer schedules, material lists, and other spreadsheet data into your drawing without rebuilding the table manually. This saves time, improves accuracy, and helps keep project information organized and consistent across your documentation. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.